everyone, it's Darlene here, and today I'm going to do my Boxycharm unboxing for June of 2020. This is the Boxyluxe, and this month's theme is Boxycharm the Oasis. I could have sworn they already did that one, maybe they didn't. And I got variation number 14, and you can tell because it has the number 14 with a heart beside it. Okay, so let's just get right into this box. The first thing that I see is this charcoal brush set by $1 Billion Brushes. So let me go ahead and open these. And these retail for $55, which is about average for a brush set. It is, how many brushes? Okay, so it comes with 5 brushes. Okay, so this is like a highlighter brush. It does say what they are for, contour. So this is the contour brush. And as you can see, it's just a flat brush. I really do like contour brushes. It has a concealer brush, and that is actually a really good concealer brush. This is a powder brush, super soft. That's one thing I do say, they are super soft, and I love the color. Gray is one of my favorite colors. This is an eyeshadow brush, so you would use this to pack your eyeshadow on. And this is a one, yeah. No, this is the highlighter. You can see, it's really fluffy. But you can actually use that to blend the crease shadows. And so that's pretty good. 5 brushes for $55. So I'm really happy that I received that. That's pretty awesome. The next thing that I see, as you can see, they do like the double layers. In the box is this Lilly lashes, and it's a XXX mascara. And this retails for $24, which is about average for a high-end mascara. I don't want to open it just because I don't want air to get inside the tube, because I have a lot that I need to use. So I'm gonna go ahead and save this. So that's not bad, 24 bucks for a mascara. Okay, so the next thing that I see in the box is this bodyography, and it's Professional Cosmetics 2 lip pencils. I actually put it on my lips today, but it kind of rubbed off already. So it's not super long lasting because I haven't even eaten today, so there's that. But the shades are really pretty. So I did open it. I actually created eyeshadow look with one of the eyeshadow palettes for in here. That's the only thing I don't like, is the lids get stuck in here. It happened earlier as well. So this is the first shade, and it is called Rosewood. It's a beautiful, like kind of like a brown plum shade. And then the second one is called Pouty, and it's a really pretty, just like, and this is the second shade, and as you can see, it's just a really pretty, like, pinky neutral tone. It's really, really pretty. And this retails for $28. So that's kind of expensive. Like I said, the downside is the lids do not stay on. Like, they come off no problem. Like, literally, they just like shake off. So it's not something that you could just keep in your purse, because it's gonna keep coming off. So the next thing that I see in the box is actually a repeat item. They did send me $12. This is the second repeat item that I've got. Last month, as you know, I got the Dynamic Cosmetics, and I received that actually last June, and I got it last month, and now they resent me this, but they didn't give me $12 last month. This month they gave me $12 because they sent me this. So I will not be using this. I already know how it works. I've already reviewed it on my channel before. It's okay. It retails for $23. Not something that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna probably put it in a giveaway or something that I'll be doing. That reminds me, if you haven't already, please subscribe, because I will be doing a giveaway soon. That being said, the next thing that is in the box, I actually picked this. I think I picked both of these. I picked the Lilly Lash Mascara and then these, and this retails for $80, I believe, yes. I actually wanted to get it when they were selling it on, what was it called? The add-ons, because it was like $65, but I ended up not getting it in time because I had asked my husband, and he's like, no, you don't really need that. so I didn't end up getting it. But I'm super excited about these. I'm always for white teeth, so 80 bucks, that's pretty good. The next thing that I see in the box is this Kylie Skin. It's a foaming face wash, and this retails for $24. I haven't actually used any of her products, so I'm really interested to see how this works. So this is what it looks like. Really pretty packaging, just like very neutral and just really cute. So as you know, I always do videos throughout the month using the products that are in the box. So stay tuned for that. And like I said, subscribe and hit the notification bell down in the corner below so that you'll be notified when I do upload those pictures. The next thing that I see in the box is this Pure Hearts by Nature Valley. It's a sleeping mask. So this is what it looks like. And this retails for $55. So this is what it looks like. I really like the packaging colors. Let me see if it has a smell or anything. It really doesn't have a it just smells clean. So I will be using this. I'm all about skincare. You know me. I love, like, that's one thing that I could like always hold on to is skincare stuff. So $55 is pretty good. And I also did receive like a coupon for like 5% off or $5 off. If you use Boxy5, you can get $5 off Kylie stuff. Okay, so the last thing that's in the box is this Tarte palette, and it retails for $49, which is about average. I did create this eyeshadow look today using this palette. They blend really well. They are very pigmented. They are very dusty. When you dip the brush in, like, it creates a lot of fallout, but it actually doesn't transfer onto your face, which is good. It just like stays on the brush, but it's like when you first initially dip it. So this is what the palette looks like. It's beautiful. I love this shade right here, Punk. It's like a really pretty green shade. By the way, that one's black. I thought I seen a green one. Maybe it's, I think this is like a greenish shade, because in the other lighting it looked more green. As you can see, they're very pigmented. Let's try like this purple shade, like an ashy purple. Just very soft, buttery. I love Tarte. I love this smell. It's like really powdery and just like really light scented, but they are really good. So stay tuned, and I will be creating more looks. If you'd like to see how I got this eyeshadow look, comment down below and I will recreate it for you. And it does come with little things to show you looks that you can do, but I can show you step by step if that's something you would like. And so that completes this month's box. The total value of this month's box was $338, which is amazing because I spent, what, $59.99? So 60 bucks for this box. So really good, really, really good price. And that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, God bless.